So what you can also do in Gemini is different drafts of the prompt responses that you get. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, tell me about Yangon city in 40 words right here. Let's say, for example, just like this. So once I go around and do that, I do get a detail about it right here, just like this in brief. So over here you can see that show drafts is an option right here. So once I click on show drafts, what actually happens is that it gives me other drafts right here with a separate type of a response. For example, there's draft 2 right here, and there's draft 3, as you can see right here. And you can regenerate out drafts as well, just like this. So you got more draft, as you can see right here, and click on show draft right here. So you can simply get another type of a response right here with other words and so forth, just like this, and keep the draft that you like right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can show draft, and you can hide the draft just like this, and just get the response that you like just over here. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.